He was here already, sorry. Yeah, just move.
Public service to discuss this issue, and who comprised the delegation? The teaching staff. Now let me come to the fact that she has done it so well that there is no problem. The certificates are well known. Everything is in black and white. Then we should now move forward.
And we are all agreed that this is the year. We have not changed that. Nobody has gone out of that pledge. This is the year. This is the financial year that he pledged to you, and even the Minister for Finance has confirmed that that money is paid to you this financial year. So that's no problem. I also agree with that. I know that. Nobody can confuse me on that one.
And yet you have had a full year where Papa had promised. Somebody then would ask, if a full year has gone with the...
This is Kingdom TV.